I used to think adulthood would feel different, like one day I would wake up and suddenly have everything figured out. But lately it feels more like early mornings, crowded metros, work days that pass a little too quickly, friends who make ordinary moments memorable. So, yeah, welcome to a day in my life. Good morning, guys. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. I just woke up. So from the title you can see I'm gonna show you a day in my life as a corporate girly and also doing content creation. Also I'll tell you my perspective on how it feels like to be in this phase of adulting. So let me quickly get ready for the office and start the day. So I'm ready. I just have to apply sunscreen and a little lip balm. So after getting ready, the first thing I do in the morning is pray, or I would say meditation. Then I do my breakfast and head off to office. But today, before going to office, I have to shoot 2 to 3 videos as well. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I mostly shoot my videos in this corner of the house. It is like my comfy art corner जहाँ मैं ideas brainstorm करती हूँ, mostly videos shoot करती हूँ. And yes, it's very beautiful and aesthetic, decorated with so much love. Yes, so I'm done with shooting my videos. Every morning starts with a checklist: getting ready, pack the bag, don't forget the metro card, and somewhere between all of these little things, the day begins before I even realize it. A few years ago, I thought adulthood would feel different. I thought I would have everything figured out by now, but most days it feels like you are trying your best to stay on top of everything while hoping you're moving in the right direction. I spend almost 3 hours every day traveling, and honestly, this metro has become a place where I do most of my thinking. Lately, life has been moving so fast that I barely get time to process it. One task ends, another begins, one week passes, then another. Sometimes I look back and wonder where all the time went. There are moments when I feel like I'm constantly running on a wheel. Not because I don't love what I'm doing, but because there's always something waiting for me: a deadline, responsibility, my goals. And while I'm grateful for all of it, some days I just crave a little more space, a little more time to sit with my thoughts, to experience life instead of always preparing for the next thing. Finally. But I guess this phase is teaching me something too. Maybe growth isn't always glamorous. Maybe sometimes growth looks like showing up every single day, even when things feel repetitive, uncertain, or exhausting. One thing I've recently learned is that people you work with can completely change how a job feels. No matter how stressful the campaigns are, how many deadlines are pending, having people around you with whom you can laugh, share random conversation, and just be yourself makes everything feel lighter. I think these little moments are what makes work memorable, not the emails or the meetings.
आज हम कितने बजे निकल रहे हैं? 6:30 बजे निकल रहे हैं आज हम। कैसा लग रहा है? मुझे कुछ लग ही नहीं रहा है। मुझे लग रहा है कि हम चोरी करके निकल रहे हैं, भाग रहे हैं आज।
मुझे लग रहा है कि ये क्या हो गया.
ये मुझे घर में एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी इस टाइम पे।
Let me give you the context. So we usually leave office around 8 or 8:30, sometimes 9. But today was different. It was raining, the weather was beautiful, and even our managers wrapped up the work by 6:30. It honestly rarely happens. Then we decided to head to a food spot. There we tried crazy momos and Burj Khalifa dosa. Honestly, it was very tasty. We laughed over random conversation and simply enjoyed the evening.
बस चीज़ मैं ले ले यार, मुझे ट्रस्ट राइट यार।
It was a बहुत प्यारी सी evening. Then हम अपने अपने घर निकल गए and I came back home. सबसे पहले घर आके I changed my fit and then मैं गई fresh हुई क्योंकि अब मुझे बैठना था content पे and I have to edit few of the videos today. Hi everyone, it was a very long and hectic day at office, but मौसम बहुत अच्छा था आज. Now I'm done with dinner and everything. Now I'm gonna just sit on the content. Today I have to edit 2 short videos and 1 long video and gonna take me around 1.5 hours. And to be very honest, I'm so freaking tired, but still, once it's done, बहुत अच्छी नींद सोने वाली हूँ मैं आज. So yeah, फटफट खत्म करते हैं and yes.
Mountains whisper, oceans roar. Each new horizon is an open door. Time
done with the video editing. Let's go. मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है अभी मैं ऐसे बिस्तर पे गिरूंगी और मैं सीधे सीधे उठूंगी, बट रात इतनी जल्दी खत्म हो जाती है. यू नो व्हाट आई वाज लेटली फीलिंग. मुझे लग रहा है मेरी लाइफ ना एक कांस्टेंट लूप पे चल रही है कि मुझे पूरा रट गया है कि मेरे दिन में क्या क्या होता है सुबह से शाम तक. एंड यू नो आई रियली फील लाइक आई एम लैकिंग टाइम टू स्लो डाउन. आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग दैट कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. ऑफ कोर्स मैं निकाल सकती हूँ, बट still I feel like I don't have enough time to slow down to actually live, and I really crave a life where I have the freedom to do whatever I want to do, to go wherever I want to go, and to pursue content creation full time. I know it will take a little time. Till then I just have to do the hard work, and I just have to be kind with myself and with the world. And if you are like me in your 20s, building something, building your dream life, it's a reminder that we just have to show up every single day, and there's no other way out. We just have to go through this phase. So yep, so I hope you like the vlog. I'm vlogging maybe after 2 to 3 months. I used to vlog in college. So do let me know what kind of vlogs do you need, or do you want me to make videos on specific topics, as I'm still experimenting with my content style on YouTube. I haven't figured it out what's gonna work for me. So yes. So yeah, do let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. अगर आपने end तक watch करा है